to set the camera flash to on, auto, or off on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Then tap on the control button. Here you can see there is a flash icon. You tap on it, and then you'll be able to set it to off. You can choose auto, or you can manually turn on the flash so that the flash will always be used if you are taking a photo. You can see the photo will be taken with a flash. Here I will turn off the timer. Now you can also access the flash features at the top here. Tap on it, and then from the pop-up dialog you can choose flash off or auto or on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.